Hey friends, hey family, welcome back to another video with the Startup CEO Lifestyle TV. This video today is going to be about thrifting as well as cooking my favorite burger and a short grocery haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you being here. Blessings and peace unto you. On today's menu at Food by Michelle, we're cooking meatloaf burgers. Yes, with all the seasoning, all the special flavors, all of the succulent onions and green peppers that's inside of it. So when you burst it open and taste it, you get nothing but flavor. Yum, oh yum, oh yum. Saturday evening meal today. Mini grocery haul. This right here, turkey sausage, egg white, and cheese delights by Jimmy Dean. I'm interested in trying that. Actually, I've bought that before, so I know how that tastes. But this one right here, this is what I'm interested in trying. Plant-based spinach and egg frittata sandwich. Hopefully this is good. It's made with brown rice, beans, and quinoa. We'll see how that tastes. I don't know if you have a Checkers or Rally's in your area, but these fries are simply delicious. With a burger, chicken burger, whatever kind of burger you want to cook, these fries are worthy. So this is one of my favorite types of bread when I eat bread. The thick sliced brioche style, smooth and sweet. They also have it in the buns, which is really good with a burger. I love me some lemon poppy seed muffins. So this is one of my sweet tooths that I had to add to the sourdough bread. This is really good with sandwiches for the week. Got to have salad, so I got some premium romaine salad as well to add to any meal that I cook this week. This is another great item. This is Aldi's brand Lobster Mac and Cheese. It is simply scrumptious. I can eat this whole thing by myself. I try not to because that's gluttony and I don't want to be gluttonizing no food, but it is so good with a salad. Great lobster, cavatappi, pasta blended with all kind of good cheeses. And just to me it up a little bit, I add some extra kinds of cheeses like Havarti, and it is so delicious. So this is a new bread that I'm trying here. It looks delicious. I'm going to make some kind of special recipe with this, but Mercato Bakery, never heard of it, but I'm definitely going to try this with some chicken on top of it or with some pasta. Just make a little quick different recipe for the day. Definitely have to have a good peach in your life. I bought about 4 of these and this is so good. I make this for breakfast. I got some lemons to add for my water or to add to my tea as well. Some cauliflower wings. I'm going to try these. I see these on menus all the time and just haven't tried them. The teriyaki kind. Breaded cauliflower. I also got the garlic parmesan as well. So I'm excited to try both of these. Some monkey bread. This avocado oil is very light and it can heat up when you're cooking things that require high heat volume. I love green beans, and when they're fried, oh my God, super delicious. This yellow rice is great with your Mexican entrees as well as baked chicken. Zucchini, squash, when it's already chopped and ready to go, great side dish. Another great side dish ready to go, root vegetables. It ain't nothing better than some fried okra. You talking about down south. First time trying this, but nothing better than a little sweetness with blueberry added. This is perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. I'm all into the healthy oils and fats. This is a garlic roasted olive oil. It's great on veggies as well as some chicken and some turkey. Quick update on the burgers. Added some cheese for my family. I don't like cheese on my sandwiches, but I did add some oil because you know turkey can be dry. Now, I always have to add something green to any meal that I cook. These Caesar salad packs are really quick, easy, and simple to make. And I love it because it's already chopped up and ready to go. Bite-sized lettuce. When I want pasta cold, this is my go-to item. Suddenly salad. I add tomatoes with it, olive oil, peppers, and just all kind of stuff. Italian dressing, so good. People in my house love coffee, and this butter pecan flavoring will go great with our espressos or our regular coffee. This turkey sausage is another quick snack that you can make. Add some mustard to it with some of that brioche bread I shared with you earlier. Oh, yum. And then you can't go wrong with some sandwich meat. You got to have sandwich meat for a quick, easy, accessible snack for a busy day. I love chicken meat. And then again, fruit. You got to have your fruit. Bananas. I'm making some banana pudding this week. That's why I got that. We also love any type of Asian food, so I bought this sauce and I'm going to grill some chicken breasts and add it to it with some veggies and some rice. I eat pickles like I'm pregnant all the time. If you've never tried this famous Davies pickle chips, you got to. Spicy, crispy, crunchy, delicious. So here's that great turkey burger, meatloaf burger we've been cooking. I got it all ready to go. Got those fries that I discussed with you, some avocado, some onion on top. And then I had to have the beer that I had the other day when we went out that I didn't drink all of it. So I decided to pair it with the meal today. This was pretty good. And yes, I have to have my cellar rolls. We drink that all up. It's really good, smooth, and it goes well with any type of entree. So good. And they have many flavors. So I just had an all-out great fabulous day of shopping at the Goodwill. As you know, I buy items to decorate my clients' homes as well as to stage some of our properties. So I got some amazing deals. That plate dish was $9. This vase $12. I got tons of lamps as well as a whole bunch of other mess in that cart right there. So I bought several shades because I'm either going to paint some or change up the ones that are on the lamps already because they were dated or old or dirty. I did get a lot of accessories because I believe a space needs to be accessorized because it brings out the different types of furniture and structure that you have in there. Plants, you always need greenery in your decor as well. I am so embarrassed, you guys. I have 2 carts and my trunk is extremely junky. Don't laugh at me. I'm kind of embarrassed to share this, but this is what I do. Hey, this is all work stuff and it transits with me throughout my day. I need to go put it in the storage unit. That's really what I need to do. But I got to get all that stuff in there and I have no idea how I'm going to do that. You see those shoes? Sometimes I get stuck up in the Goodwill. I find things that I like as well to wear and they end up staying in my car. But that picture right there, I think I got that for like $5. Whew, I'm just a thrifty kind of person. I love being out, finding unique things and items. Somebody else's junk is my treasure because I do utilize it to decorate my client's home for real estate, as well as some of our short-term rentals, as well as some of our homes that we're staging for flipping and selling. So this is what I do and I love it. Again, my back seat. Look at all this stuff. But that's my fault there. I got some shoes and things. I also found this comforter. I went back in to turn the baskets in and found this comforter for $13. I'm going to wash and clean that up real good and put that in one of the units. Found some nice, comfortable blankets in really great shape for $5. Everything was just really great steals. There's another one. Got a dress down there as well. Got the dress for like $2. It was a yellow tag, 75% off. So as I mentioned, this nice vase right here is $12. And I know I've seen that in many stores for much more than what I'm paying for it now. So I think I got a great deal. Trying to stuff it in my car as well. I'm going to put some plants in there, some greenery to add depth to the room. And this vacuum cleaner, again, you can never go wrong. I need this in one of my units. Great buy for Dirt Devil. And there's the price tag. I spent that amount and I consider myself doing a great job. I don't feel bad when I spend $100 or less. And I did that. So found myself back in the store again. And I saw this lamp, it's $12. I went to take it over to see if it worked and the knob to turn it on was gone. Back in my car again, trying to get the stuff I bought back in here. And as you can see, I got pictures and all kind of crap in here. But it made it. I got it in. Now I'm finished. Well, friends, that's it. Thanks for shopping with me. I greatly appreciate you being here. Have you ever tried any of the items that I shared in the video? As well as, do you like thrifting? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Blessings.